Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. This is a carpet cleaner I saw online. I saw a lot of reviews for it online, and since spring cleaning is coming up, and when I got this it was also around spring cleaning time, I wanted something different rather than to pay someone to clean the carpet because I constantly have to take out stains out of the carpet. I'll just get this, see how it works, and see if it's worth the money, something to have on hand. So this is the unboxing of it to see what comes with it, and then I'll also show my review because I've had this product for a few months now. So keep watching to see what I think. The first item that I took out of the box is a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool for upright carpet cleaners. Now I've had this carpet cleaner for a few months now. I've used that once, even on the upholstery. I tried that on it just to probably clean it. It's a lot of hand power, and it just never make no sense for me to use it. But if you have pets, this is probably something that you'd like that is included with it. The next accessory that is included with it is a part of it that, since I got this carpet cleaner, I love that tool. Like, if you don't get any tool with it, that's the tool that I would suggest that we all should have, especially if you're not really, even if you have pets. This is a tool that I think we should all have. It is the 3 Tough Stain Brush tool for carpet cleaners. I attach that to the long hose, to the 10-inch hose, and that's what I use to clean the stairs. Literally, this is my main tool to use and clean. I use it to clean the stairs, I use it to clean the carpet, to clean the couch, to clean sides of the bed. This is the go-to tool, especially if most of your stains are like surface stains, even deep stains. This is the go-to tool. Does take hand power, will build up the hand power, but I like it, and it gets the job done, and it does what it's supposed to do. And if anything else is worth the money in this whole setup, this is worth the money. The next item is this pouring cup. It's a measuring cup. I use it to pour the solution in and then pour it into the solution container that's on top. So it's like a no spill container to add in your solution. And that's something that comes with, I think, all of the Bissel carpet cleaners. This is something that I really like. It is used to clean out the accessories and the vacuum itself. It comes in handy. The Bissel carpet cleaner doesn't come put together, so what I'm showing you now are the pieces that all the parts that comes with it. And then once I take out all these parts, then I'll have to spend my time and put it together, basically set it up. The next item that comes inside the box is the top container. That's where we put in the solution, mix the solution in. So that's what we will attach to the top of the cleaner. The next item that's included in the box is the hose. So this hose is an additional accessory that comes with it that is a game changer. Like, that's the hose that I put the 3 Tough Stain Remover accessory that I mentioned previously. You put it onto that hose, and that's how I'm able to stretch it to clean the stairs, to clean the carpet, and everything else included. So that's what that hose is for. It comes with 2 sample size cleaning solution, 2 sample size Bissel cleaning solutions, and honestly those cleaning solutions were really good. Once I used it the first time, I did go to the store and purchase like other cleaning solutions, and now I'm thinking when I go back, I'll definitely just order the larger size to the cleaning solutions that came with it. What you're looking at now is the actual vacuum itself. So this is the bottom of the vacuum, this is the machine, this is the motor, this is what powers the entire system. And I'm going to do my best to put it together according to the instructions. The first thing we're going to do is attach the upper handle. I think this was the easiest part of putting this machine together, is attaching the upper handle. You do have to make sure you turn it, like there's a certain way to turn it to make sure it goes in, and then you use a good amount of strength and push it down to get it in. As you see, the first time I didn't get it in, I didn't get it to go in the first time, so I had to do it again, and I had to like kind of play with it just a little bit, and then I was able to securely attach it to the top of the vacuum of the machine. The next item we want to attach is the carry handle. So the carry handle takes a little bit more, just a little extra humph to attach, because you have to attach it to the back, and it comes with a screwdriver to hold it in place, because of course it has to be attached to it securely, so that when you hold on to it, you can carry it without any worry. So once you attach the carry handle to the back like what you see here, then you go ahead and you get your screwdriver. I think that's the only thing we'll need here, a screwdriver, and you get the screw that comes with it, and you securely attach it to the middle, right in the center of it. There's a little area there for you to attach the screw. So for some reason, the attaching the screw take a little bit more elbow grease, as I mentioned earlier. So I did a lot of screwing and screwing. It was just a lot of muscle power to get this out of the way. Next, you want to go ahead and attach the solution container, or what they call it, the clean water container. This is very simple to attach straight out, honestly. You just kind of stick it into each of the grooves on top and then make sure it's secure and you're good to go. So this was one of the simpler steps to putting it together. And I love that it can come off though, because it will have to, because that's how that's how you add in your solution, and you could also rinse it out. One thing about this that I really like, the main thing that I like about it, is that I can basically take the entire thing apart. The only thing that will stay together is of course the machine itself and the structure that stays together, but in regards to all the things that you use to clean, all of that can be taken apart. You can take out each container, you can rinse it out, wash it out, put it to dry. You can take the brush, you won't take the brush out, but you basically take off all the coverings of the brush, so all of that can be removed, rinsed out, and then once you're finished rinsing it out, you could put it to dry. Once you put it to dry, the next day or so you come back and you just put all the pieces right back together, right where they came from, to use it again another day. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this, you'll definitely enjoy watching my actual review / motivation cleaning while using the Bissel carpet cleaner on a few household items. See you in the next video.